In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WhatsApp number in Twilio account 2025, step by step. We're going to walk through getting a WhatsApp enabled number set up in your Twilio account using the WhatsApp sandbox. By the end, you'll be able to connect your phone, send a test message, and try a WhatsApp template, all inside the Twilio console. Keep your Twilio login handy and have WhatsApp installed on your phone so you can scan a QR code when we get there. First, log in to twilio.com and open the console. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. That's where Twilio organizes all products and tools. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. We'll be navigating to messaging from here. Scroll down in the sidebar until you find Explore Products. This is the quick directory Twilio provides for jumping into different features. Under Explore Products, locate messaging and click it. That will take you to the messaging area of the console where you can access SMS, WhatsApp, and related tools. Inside messaging, look for Try WhatsApp. Click that to open the WhatsApp setup area. You'll land on the sandbox page, which is the safest and fastest way to try WhatsApp without going through a full production onboarding. The sandbox page will show instructions and a QR code to connect your phone temporarily for testing. On the sandbox page, grab your phone, open WhatsApp, and scan the QR code you see in the console. If you're using WhatsApp on iOS or Android, use the built-in QR scanner inside WhatsApp to scan. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone so the link completes quickly. After scanning, send the message as prompted on your phone to the WhatsApp test destination shown in the sandbox. Keep it simple. Just send the exact message the screen suggests so Twilio can verify the connection. Give it a moment for the message to register. Back in the Twilio console, you should now see confirmation that your phone is connected to the WhatsApp sandbox. This indicates the link is active and you're ready to try messaging from Twilio. Next, choose your content template type. Templates are WhatsApp-approved message formats used for notifications and outreach. Pick the type that matches what you want to test and fill in any fields the template requires. Finally, click to send the template. You should receive it in WhatsApp on your phone. That's it. You've connected the WhatsApp sandbox, sent a message, and tested a template. Remember, this is a sandbox setup for development and testing. When you're ready for production, you can follow Twilio's guided onboarding to move beyond the sandbox.